Hey smart marketers, welcome to this video. Today in this video I'm going to show you the correct pronunciation of this word. In Bangladesh we are learning this language from our childhood, but it's very pathetic that we are making mistakes in pronouncing this word. It's very funny at the same time that we mispronounce even the name of the language. In Bangladesh we pronounce it like ing and lish, which is English, which is completely wrong. Then what is the correct pronunciation? In this case you don't need to trust me. You can check it by yourself. You can go to this Oxford dictionary or Cambridge dictionary and type this word, and you will find this pronunciation here.
English, English.
English, English, English.
So you will play it and hear it like this. So you heard that this G is pronounced here distinctly. So ing and glish, ing and glish. Let me go to this doc. So the correct pronunciation here, this ing and glish. If you can read this IPA, you already got it that this is English. So in Bangla I have written it here for your easier reading. So ing and glish. So you have to pronounce this G, ing and glish. This is English, not English. This is English. So you can check it by yourself and let me know in the comment whether you can pronounce it correctly or not. And you have to try it, practice it for a few days, then it will be very natural in your tongue. So this is all for today. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.